and welcome. I'm Jadine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to supreme an orange. We're going to remove the delicious and flavorful fruit from the membrane, get rid of all the seeds and also the pith, which is that white bitter part that's located on a citrus. So it's between the skin and the actual fruit. So let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start with this orange. It's a navel orange. I'm in Florida, so Florida navel orange. And I'm just going to start by removing the top piece. So if you can see here, I'm just going to slice right into it. Get rid of that piece and also do the same thing to the bottom because I'm trying to create a nice base. So now we have a nice base. So the knife is flexible and it's a special knife. It's not your typical chef's knife. I have my finger right here. I'm holding it. So now I'm gonna go kind of making like a little curve. So not just cutting straight down. So I'm not doing this, I'm curving it. And then if I have to come back around, then I'll do that. So there we go. We're just gonna curve it down. And this is the bitter part usually on a citrus, which is the pith. It's it's located between the fruit and the actual skin. So we don't want any of that. We're gonna remove all of those pieces. So if you ever dine at a fancy restaurant and you order a fruit bowl or anything that has a citrus and everything looks so perfect, this is how they do it. So I'm gonna come back around now and just start removing these little pieces here. And you can do this for grapefruit, lemons, limes. Now I'm going between the membrane and I'm just making kind of a V, kind of on an angle. So do you see that little piece? And for me, if it's really done well, you don't want this piece on there. So that little white piece that's on there, that's a no-no. If you're really doing it correctly, then this piece shouldn't be here. Like, see that little white piece? So we're just gonna pretend it wasn't there. And this is why it's important too to get rid of all these little white piths. So it's the part that is located directly between the fruit itself and the skin. These are the membranes. So now I'm just gonna keep going right in between. Again, remember just making right in between the membrane, like on an angle. So there we go. And the knife needs to be sharp. So that's a perfect piece. And you just keep repeating the process. Another segment. Again, if you notice, I'm cutting on an angle, not directly down. So I'm going on an angle. So I'm really going right along the membrane. Same thing on this side. So right along this right here. So just go right along it. You don't want any of the membrane. And then you come back in and you just keep repeating it until you are finished. So now I'm just gonna squeeze the juice. And this is perfect for serving as is, or if you're doing supremes on a salad. This is a great way to enjoy delicious, flavorful orange or other citrus, especially like grapefruit. No seeds, no membrane, just really beautiful segments. So that's it. Enjoy. And that is how you supreme an orange or other citrus, such as a lemon, lime, or grapefruit. Thank you for joining, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.